Good morning, students. In this video lesson, I am going to deal with chromosome mapping 2-point test cross. My name is K. Sai Venkatesh, working as lecturer in Botany, Government Degree College, Puttur, Chittoor district. The main objectives of the lesson: definition of chromosome map, chromosome maps, types, recombination percentage, 2-point test cross, and finally 2-point test cross and chromosome mapping. Coming to the definition of chromosome map, the linear arrangement of genes on chromosomes can be represented in the form of chromosome map. So, chromosome map represents the location of genes on the chromosome. This is also known as gene mapping. There are two types of chromosome maps. The first type is linkage maps. The second type is physical maps. Coming to the linkage maps, these maps are constructed based upon the concept of linkage, and the genes present on the chromosome are represented with reference to their relative distances. Then coming to the physical maps, the specific locations of genes are denoted by physical maps. These maps can be constructed with the help of restriction endonucleases. The restriction enzymes cut the DNA at specific positions. Basing on this particular principle, the distance between the restriction sites can be calculated. This helps in the construction of genetic map. Muller and Bridges constructed the chromosomal map of Drosophila. Emerson constructed the chromosome map of maize. The construction of chromosomal mapping is based upon the concepts like linkage and crossing over, which are proposed by Morgan and Bridges. Coming to the recombination percentage. Recombination percentage is nothing but the number of recombinants by total number of progeny into 100. It is different from recombination frequency. Recombination frequency can be deduced by the formula number of recombinants by total number of progeny. So percentage means we should calculate it for 100. So based upon this recombination percentage only we can construct the genetic map. Coming to the 2-point test cross. 2-point test cross is nothing but a cross between the F1 hybrid with the recessive parent. The genotypic ratio of 2-point test cross as per the law of independent assortment proposed by Mendel is 1:1:1:1. Coming to the actual point, that is 2-point test cross used in the chromosome mapping. If any deviation is observed in the normal genotypic ratio as said in the previous slide, that is 1:1:1:1, then the genes are said to be linked. If the genes are said to be linked, then only we can calculate the distance. How we can calculate the distance? Just it is based upon the recombination percentage. So simply the recombination percentage of the two genes is nothing but the distance between the two genes, or simply the relative distance between the two genes. So the map units are the centimorgans, are the main units for denoting distance between the two genes. Let us see the example. Consider the parental genotypes as capital A, capital B, capital A, capital B, and small a, small b, and small a, small b. The bar denotes those two genes are linked. If linkage is there, then only we can calculate the distance between the genes. Then the F1 hybrid then the F1 hybrid is AB, capital A, capital B, and small a, small b. Then what is two-point test cross? Two-point test cross is nothing but the cross between the F1 hybrid and the recessive parent. The two-point test cross progeny, it will be like this with four individuals. So, organism with parental characters, obviously those are capital A, capital B, and small a, small b. Recombinants, automatically the combination, new combination with reference to the parents, capital A, small b, and small a, capital B. Let us see the formation of recombinants by means of crossing over and parental types without crossing over. Parental types without crossing over. So, gametes formed from the hybrid are having four different types of genotypes. So, gametes of parental types are these two, and recombinant gametes are these two. Generally, the recombination percentage is due to the presence of recombinants in the progeny only. Those recombinants in the progeny are obtained only due to these recombinant gametes. So, consider this example for the calculation of genetic map. Uh, A, capital B, small b, 40, small a, small b, 40, capital A, small b, 10, small a, capital B, small b, 10. This is an hypothetical data I have taken for the explanation of construction of gene map of A and B genes. So, uh, first, what we can see, these two genes are said to be linked. Why? Because these two combinations or parental combinations are in uh, high condition, high frequency, 40 40. It is not following, moreover it is not following Mendelian classical 1 is to 1 is to 1 is to 1 ratio. So automatically the recombination percentage is nothing but the number of recombinants by total number of progeny into 100. Here the recombinants are these two genotypes are said to be recombinants. So 10 plus 10 by 100 into 100. That is the final calculation. Finally, we will get 20 map units as the final result of this calculation. So, automatically this 20 percentage of recombination is nothing but the 20 map units of A and B. So, if we construct a genetic map by considering A and B genes, it is like this. These two genes apart of 20 map units from each other. So, it is a relative distance. So, uh, this is how we can construct a genetic map by using A and B genes test cross analysis. Finally, the summary. We studied the definition of chromosome map as the linear arrangement of genes and chromosome can be demonstrated chromosome mapping, and we studied chromosome maps and types. There are two types of chromosome maps, linkage and physical maps. We studied recombination percentage, number of recombinants by total number of progeny into 100 is nothing but the recombination percentage. We studied two-point test cross. Two-point test cross means crossing the F1 hybrid with the recessive parent. And we studied two-point test cross chromosome mapping with an example. Thank you. Thank you to all.